Hi guys, today we're doing 12 times 6 and we have Anna to share some of her ideas. So Anna thinks of this as 12 groups of 6. So let's go ahead and bring out all those groups of 6s.
Yes.
Are you going to help me today?
This is going to take a while though.
Because there's 12 of them. So that's 1 and this is 2 and I'm just going to move it up a little bit because we're going to have lots of them. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
9, 10, 11, 1 more. 12.
Okay, great. Now, you really like 12s.
Yes, because I know my like 12s and 7s and all those types of things
Yeah.
really well.
And you know what? This can be 6 groups of 12 too.
Yes.
Can you
It doesn't
show?
matter what order, you can have 12 times 6 or 6 times 12.
So can you show us one of the groups of 12?
Well, there's one here, so let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, so you know what? I'm just gonna move this over. Hold on, I'll move it over.
I know this one's just a little bit off.
Okay. I'm just gonna move it over so people can really see that group 6. So can you just circle it for me?
This is 12.
And so now, how many, because you want to go 12 plus 12 plus 12, how many of them are you going to do?
I'm going to do till there's none left.
Okay, but how many are there? There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay,
Because
so...
that would be 6 times 12.
Yep, exactly. Okay, start and I'll see what I can record for you.
So I'm going to move this one over too. Do we move them all over?
No, I'll just record it. You can just go 12 plus 12.
So 12 plus 12 equals 24.
Okay, and then what are you going to do?
Well, I'm really good with my doubles, so I would go 24 plus 24 equals 48.
Okay, so 12 plus 12.
But that is also 4 12s.
And this is going to give you 48. And you can see the 4 12s there. Okay, so that's only 4. You still have a couple more, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are you going to do next?
Well, because 8 would be too many 12s, we have to just add
2 more, right?
2 more.
So do you want to go 12 plus 12 equals 24 and add it to that? Or
Yes.
okay, so 12 plus 12 equals 24, and you're going to add 24 to 48.
So 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 4 plus 8 equals 12.
Let's see this, Anna. So 48 plus...
24.
Okay. So what are you going to do? Or do you want to split this into like 20 and 4?
Yeah.
Okay. So
I believe it equals 72.
Wowzers, that's quick. So let's do 48 plus 20. So 58, 68. That's the 20. And then
Plus
68 plus 4.
So 68, 69, 70, 71, 72.
All right. So 12 times 6. I'll let you write down the final answer.
So that means 12 times 6 equals 72.
Great job.
Thank you.
High five.
Bye, everyone.
Hey everyone, I got my friend Louie here who's going to talk to us about what his idea for 12 times 6, right Louie? Talk to me, what are you thinking?
Can you split the 12 as 10 and 2?
Yeah, it's a great idea. Okay, and then what?
And then we're going to put some...
So we have 6 here, right? We have 6 here. One group of 6. How many do we need?
10.
We need 10. Okay, let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
All right, close. We got one more.
10.
10. Now, how many groups of sixes are there in total?
12.
12. So maybe I'll just take, I know you split, so I'll keep some space here. We'll split and we'll put 2 white ones. Okay? Here we go. So, all right, now what, Louie?
Now let's count how much tens there's in here.
All right, great idea. Okay, so what have we got here?
We got 10.
We have 10, right? So we've got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's 10.
Mm-hmm.
That's one group of 10. Can you point to the, let's count by tens all the way. So 10.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Okay, so all of this is 60. Okay. Now what?
Now we're going to be doing 2 times 6 because there's 2 6s down there.
Oh, okay. So we got 2 times the 6. Okay.
12.
Oh, you know that? Wow, that was fast. So now you got the 12 here. All right. Now what?
Now we're going to be adding 12 onto the 60.
Oh, okay. And what does that get you?
It gives you 72.
72. So what's 12 times 6?
Equals 72.
Ooh, nice job.
Thank you.